Them a talk me no answer. And anything when me about me work hard for that. Me no depend pan sponsor. Hey you Mr. Mansa, then I want make you a go answer. You a silence me use and shame him. My months now him a tell people say him a my daddy but me never claim him.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, my beautiful viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What do I say? When not feeling no pain, I hope you not feeling no pain. And if you not feeling the pain, remember to check the doctor. Now he come. No, hold on. No, he come. I go feature the one and only. Colaz Smith. Step up, you. Yeah.
Not too much. I know everything. From me left them a wonder. Them a talk me no answer. And anything when me about me work hard for that. Me no depend pan sponsor. Hey you Mr. Mansa, then I
Hold on, pull up. Hey, you Mr. What? Hey, you Mr. Monster? From daddy to monster? Hold on, no, man. Yo, Colaz, take it to the studio. Hold on, listen.
thank you, answer. You silence me, use and shame me. My months now, him a tell people say him a my daddy but me.
Pull up. That monster. Hey, Colaz, viewers and subscribers, a months now. Him a tell people say my Colaz daddy. And a months now me a telling us say, we don't be aware of Daddy Gargon. And a months now me a telling us say, we don't run from him. But we don't never did that run. Make you go and listen.
You are one thing me learn in a life that people not real them turn in a life. You know see the dog turn in a voice and I try to take me cheese or them things in a right. And all the fight with them a fight me now.
Hold on. The dog turning a mice. Hold on. The dog turning a mice. And I try to take Colaz cheese. Colaz, a long time me I tell us that Daddy Gargon want. A long time me make the video. I tell you say Daddy Gargon want to Colaz have. You just believe. Believe no man. Listen now.
Attack, I don't want your heart attack. You feel
Hold on, Bob. Hey, me nearly cuss. Wait a little bit. We could go over that little bit. Listen.
You are one thing me learn in a life that people not real them turn in a life. You know see the dog turn in a voice and I try to take me cheese or them things in a right. And all the fight with them a fight me not attack. I me don't want your heart attack. You feel love me but that's
Whew. Hold on. Colaz say he don't want Daddy Gargon have a heart attack. So he never did a attack. In Hello?
conversation. You call me Messiah and you feel God mission. Cause you don't know nothing.
Hold on a little bit. Stop it right there, so. Enough I don't know out there that call Colaz Messiah. Me no make no video about it because me never want to go in it because me no talk about the good Lord name in vain. Me not talk about Jesus in vain. But enough of you out there I call Colaz Messiah. You know I call him God and all kind of something. You know hear what the man say. You know hear what the man say. The man make a video what the answer. You know if he call him no God either. Make we carry on.
Morning. I love speculation, cause you all know in a relationship. Them I wonder if we have multiple relationships.
Oh yeah. Where's the colors? Them I wonder if you have multiple relationship, mean you have enough girl. Where is the colors? They want you know if you have enough girl. Make you go and listen now. Make you go and listen.
Relationship. A family, them I wonder. Them I talk me no answer. Them I wonder. Them I talk me no answer. Them I talk me no answer. Yo, them mix up and stir up. Them heartless and corrupt. Me know them bad mind too fast. Me a come up. Them girls say me feet something sweet that can stir up. And I bet when me chat that song I YouTube stir. YouTube.
YouTube stir up, color say YouTube stir up. I bet when he drop that song, your YouTube stir up. Hey, let me tell you something. Maybe not tell on a long time, you see? And me never put certain thing out there. But I yesterday me that talk to somebody. And me said to them, say, Colors, know what him a do. Colors know how to drop the bomb. And at the end of the day, when Colors drop the bomb, when Colors do him a do, and say what him a say, and put it on him want to put it, you know what happened? Colors and him the food. Colors that make the food. Really realize the Colors not get no sponsor. Remember that. He not get no sponsor and he not ask somebody for nothing. So that means his money are coming. So and his money are coming. Remember, all of we up on YouTube, we know. Say the more views we get, the more watch time we get, that's how we make money. So people have to understand. Colors know how to make the money, and he know how to put the video them out there, and he know how to get the views. Make you go and listen.
Stir up that. And the colors are the topic again. Everybody wanna know.
You hear that? Colors are the topic again. Remember, Colors say him do the video and put in people them, send them go on vacation because him know what go happen. He know say people are gonna come out and say things. Remember, he do the video. You know? Remember, Colors do the video and said that. You know? Say no, say that go happen. You know? So me been telling you, say Colors know what him a do. Make we listen.
You wanna know.
Why Colors a laugh off of them? Laugh off of them, Colors a laugh off of them. Laugh off of them, Colors a laugh off of them. Laugh off of them, Colors a laugh off of them. Me say, Colors a laugh off of Daddy Gargon and a laugh off of them. But remember, me been a telling you about Daddy Gargon. Me been a telling you about Daddy Gargon long time. My viewers and subscribers. Me been a telling you, you know. Me been a telling you, man. Come on, listen to some more Colors a laugh off of them, no? Everybody want to know. Everybody want to know. Everybody want to know. Everybody want to know. Colors say everybody want to know. If you have multiple relationship, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this. Say everybody want to know. 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 Everybody want to know if Colaz have multiple relationship. Woo! Hey, my viewers and subscribers, hear what me I said to you, say? I was telling all of you about Daddy Gargon. And it's only a pity that Daddy Gargon have to call Colaz name in the wrong terms, in the wrong way, just for Colaz to come out and say something. Just for Colaz to drop a diss song at Daddy Gargon. It is a shame and it's bad because I have been saying this when Daddy Gargon attacked Murphy. I was saying that he should have come out and said something. It's only a pity that now that's Daddy Gargon attack him, Colaz come out because he must protect him when he wasn't there protecting Murphy at that time, which I think Murphy needed that protection. Murphy needed that. From that day, Murphy drop off of the island. Colaz Smith, let me say something to you about that tune there. Me think you must make a tune and go in a studio there. Put it out, put a song out there. Yeah, man, because that song they do good, you know. Yeah, man, that song they do good. With the voice recorder in it there. Yeah, man. It's a good, the beat too. The beat nice. Me like the beat. The beat nice. Yeah, man, the beat nice. Yeah, man, me like the beat. Daddy Gargon from Clarendon. Colaz, YouTube daddy. And Colaz never won him. Yeah, Colaz never said, yes, I'm daddy. But Daddy Gargon put him name up as Daddy Gargon from Clarendon. Colaz YouTube daddy. Me ask myself the question one time, who the hell or why the hell did somebody call Daddy Gargon YouTube daddy? Why did they do that? Because when they did that was when they make him bars fly up in him head.
Some of them talk too much. I know everything. From me left them I wonder. Them a have no answer. And anything when me about me work hard for that me no need pen pass answer. Hey you Mr. Mansa, then I will make you a answer. You silence me, use and hear me. My months now, him a tell people say him a my daddy, but me never claim him. You are one thing me learn in a life, that people not real them will turn in a life. So you know see the dog turn in a voice and I try to me cheese what them think.
Oh yeah,
And
protect yourself.
me not attack, cause me don't want your heart attack. You say you love me, but that's the obsession. Call me Messiah, you feel God mission.
Oh,
You don't know nothing about me.
yes.
I just speculation.
Uh,
You don't know in a relationship. Them I wonder if we have multiple relationship. Relationship. La family, them I wonder. Them I talk me no answer. Them I wonder. Them I talk me no answer. Them I talk me no answer. From them mix up and stir up. Them heartless and corrupt. Me know them bad mind too fast. Me I come up. Them girls say me feet something sweeter than syrup. And I bet when me chat that and yeah, you just you too stir up that. And I call us at the topic again. Everybody wanna know. Everybody wanna know.
everybody want to. Everybody want to. Everybody want to. Everybody want you. Because the colors are the man. Hey, I'm telling you something, yeah, man. Maybe not telling you. I been a telling you. Daddy Gargon. And you hear what Colaz say? You hear what Colaz say? Bet when him drop that song, yeah? YouTube stir up. And the Colaz are the topic again. Remember this, you know. Me never said this. Me never said this, you know. Me never said this yet. Me going to say it to one person. Yeah, one person me say this to. And me say it to Oliver Lifestyle. And me tell Oliver say me lose two subscribers. Tell me say them I go unsubscribe from me. Because that's when the ground got thing, you know. And the man say, one of them is a man and one is a lady. Him say to me, he say, Colaz never did have to make that video about Grangan. And the man said, Colaz smart and Colaz know him. That's what the man say. No? And the man say, you Rodney, no. Say, Colaz never did have to make that video there. Which are true. You know, because of what you make and put out there, give people something to talk about. You know? So the man say, when Colaz make that video, Colaz know. Say, everybody are going to come and talk about it. Yeah, he say, know that. Yes, guys, so yeah, man. You know what? I'm going to cut the video right here. So peace and love. I'm out.